everyone and a very warm welcome to WsCube Tech. So guys, in our previous session we have covered what are navigable strings in HTML. In our today's session we are going to talk about comments in HTML. So guys, what comments are? Comments are very simple, just like how in Python we have comments which we only write so that we can understand the program, or we know that what is going to happen in the next step, or what a person has done in a specific part of a program. Similarly, in the codes also, in the HTML, CSS codes also, there are comments, and how to understand what comments are, let's have a look on that. So I have opened again the same page that I was on previously, and here if I scroll up, you will see something in green color. This says Google Tag Manager no script. This one says end Google Tag Manager no script. So these things over here are called as comments. If you go to any other website, or if you go to any other part of this website, for example, let's open it for the computers, and it's already there for the computers. Let's go for the phones. Okay, and here if I scroll up again, we have the same green thing over here, and if you open any other website, for example, so let's open WsCube Tech and let's search for the first one. Let's right click and inspect it, and here again you will see the Google Tag Manager no script, end Google Tag Manager no script, header, banner section, and over 100 plus organization, learn at your ease. So all these things over here, all these things in green color, these are called as comments. So no, we are not going to use this comments inside our program, or we will be not doing anything about it. But just for your information, if you want to understand what these green things are, these are comments basically. Okay, so over here what we have understood so far is that the purple part over here is the tag, the yellow part is the attribute, the black part is our navigable string, the green part is our comments, and if I talk about the blue things, so just for your understanding, so you can see over here, we have section, here we have section, but we have different classes. So how these sections over here are different from each other because of the classes that we have provided to them. So these are just names, just like how in Python we have functions and we give any name to our functions or any name to our variables or anything. Similarly, we can give any name to, and then inside it we write the code so that every section inside it or every part inside it is different from the other part. So this is what the blue thing is, but we again do not need to focus on this as of now. So I guess we are all covered with the HTML part. So we didn't go to the core, but we have just understood that what tags, attributes, navigable strings and the comments are. So I hope guys you have no doubts and no questions in what comments are, and in our next session we are going to talk about the beautiful soups find function. So again, a very strong function which will help us to fetch the data. So stay connected guys, and I'll see you in the next session. Thank you.